For geography today, you are going to be looking at what would it be like to live in a different place. Watch Charlotte's story or look at and read the attached scene. So if you can't click on the link, use this to watch the story, or you can read it here. So Charlotte says, my house is made of bricks and I live with my mum and dad. I like living in Dubbo because of the big zoo and the swimming pool. Sometimes the river floods and when we have too much rain. Sometimes the river floods when we have too much rain again. So, okay, there you go, two things. The land in Dubbo is very flat, but good for farming. In summer, we holiday at the beach, but we have to go over the mountains to get there. Next year, we are going to the Northern Territory to see Uluru, the world's biggest rock. My special place is my Munga and Poppy's farm. So I guess that's my grandmother and grandfather. Then, once you have done this, you're going to get to the questions. Write the natural and human features Charlotte talks about in the table below. Click there, right, click there, right. So natural features, human features. So of course, a natural feature is something on the land. A human feature is something that they would talk about themselves. Question 2. What are the natural and human features where you live? List them in the table below. So again, there's 5 spaces. Yeah, 5 spaces in each table, so fill them up. Of course, if you just double click here and it goes like that, you can move it always so it hits the line. Shrink the size of the font that way. If you want, you can move them around to fill the 5 lines. But it shouldn't be that hard. 5 natural features around where I live, myself, are the trees and the mountain, the river. That's 3. Trees, mountain, river. Animals. Got plenty of animals here, and the birds. So birds, mostly magpies and pigeons, really. Basically the birds that we get here. Anyway, then it tells you about natural features here and human features. A natural feature is something people did not make, and a human feature is something made by humans. So again, okay, there we go. Human feature is not just about the self, it's about what man-made things are. There you go. Read those. Question 3, name some features which are the same for where you live and Charlotte lives. So identify similarities. Is the land flat? Is it both places where you live flat? Or do you have hills somewhere? And that would be different. So it's things like that. And that's it. It should be fun. It should be shouldn't be too hard. Pretty straightforward. Enjoy. I look forward to reading them.